This is a prototype demo for the interactive SVG animation. Scene 1 shows how the Earth warms up through a 60-second autoplay animation, forcing users to pay attention to the constantly developing information. Each element is set up on a CSS timeline with assigned duration, timing function, how the animation changes from one style to another, delay, iteration count, how many times the animation should be played, direction, whether it should be played forwards or backwards, and name, to which the behavior is added. All graphics are designed in Illustrator using block element modifier methodology. They are named and grouped to then be manipulated in CSS. During formative feedback, users desired the ability to reread the text. Thus, the Show All Text and Replay buttons were added. When satisfied with Scene 1, the button will load Scene 2. This transition is completed with SASS that scales up the SVG and JavaScript, which removes Scene 1 and loads the Scene 2 component. Here, users learn about CO2 emissions produced in cities and farms. Enlarging these sections is possible with the click of a button, which will be situated within the environment, like the buttons in Scene 1. It has an on-click function where it scales up the Scene 2 environment at specific points and scales down whenever users want to exit. Within the zoom, users will learn more about the emissions by enlarging animations. This is completed with simple CSS transform element. Answering the questionnaire, made out of HTML5 tags and JavaScript functions, will simultaneously affect the scene. All the components will be configured and assigned to answers in the final prototype so that the scene will slowly change accordingly. At the moment, this is loaded as a separate page. The ending scene will be an eco-friendly scene to either educate or suggest further improvements on how to reduce greenhouse gas emissions.